Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using Kraken. First, you will need to create an account on the Kraken platform by providing your email and setting a secure password. After verifying your email, proceed to complete the identity verification process. This typically involves submitting a government-issued identification and proof of residence. It is crucial to enable two-factor authentication right away for robust account protection. This initial setup ensures your account is secure and ready for transactions. Once your account is set up and verified, the next step is to fund it. Head over to the funding section on your Kraken dashboard. Here, you will select the fiat currency you wish to deposit, like US dollars or euros. Kraken offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers and wire transfers. Be sure to review any minimum deposit amounts or associated fees. Carefully follow the detailed instructions provided to successfully transfer funds from your bank account to your Kraken wallet. With funds in your account, you are ready to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the trade section on Kraken to access the trading interface. Here, you will select the Bitcoin trading pair that matches your deposited fiat currency, for example, BTC versus USD. You can choose between a simple market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the total fiat amount you wish to spend, then confirm your order. After placing your order, your Bitcoin purchase will be confirmed and reflected in your Kraken account's transaction history. For enhanced security and full control over your assets, consider withdrawing your newly acquired Bitcoin to a personal hardware or software wallet. While Kraken utilizes industry-leading security measures to protect your digital assets, self-custody offers an additional layer of protection. Always remember to regularly review your account activity and maintain strong personal security practices, such as using unique passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.